Hello guys! In this video, I'll show you how to export data from R. As you can see, I'm loading a built-in dataset in RStudio as my data. Let's display the data. And here it is. Now let's export the data as a CSV file. Type this command, write.csv data cars data.csv. This is the name of the file. The file will be saved in your current working directory. And here it is. Now, what if you want to export the file to a specific location? Very simple. In the export command, you just need to specify the full path to that location. Let's do it. I'll create a new folder named New Folder, then copy its path. Now, in RStudio, paste that path before the file name. And don't forget to replace the backslashes with forward slashes. After executing the command, you can see the file is now saved in the new folder. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.